So we are working with Alpha Warranty in Salt Lake City, Utah. They provide car dealerships with warranty products to sell to their consumers. So the workshop that we are doing with them is really defining their message, and then how do we communicate that message through consistent video. With the amount of videos that this company needs, along with most companies that we deal with, really what we're doing is taking and giving them the assets that they need to produce their own content moving forward. So in our morning session, we did a creative workshop where we went through this and we like defined their messaging and what they want to communicate to their guests, or their freaking guests. In this okay. Okay. In the morning workshop, we help them define in simplest terms what it is that they want to communicate to customers and potential customers. And that's difficult to do. Sometimes in your business, you have a lot of reasons why someone would do business with you, but it's defining it in its simplest terms. And then, okay, now how do we storytell with video over time with this? And so what we're doing today is we're actually going around and creating them a really nice intro and outro for an episode series or show that they're going to produce. We're giving them those solid foundational assets as the intro and outro, and then doing some training with them on how to create their own content moving forward. So showing them equipment, what to use, and how to structure their episodes. And then we're leaving them with it, right? Like we give them those foundational assets and then they go and produce their own content. So if you guys are ever interested in your own workshop, essentially what we do is we come in and we help you become your own media business. We help you have the ability to produce your own ongoing content. So let us know if you're interested in that, and we'll see you guys on the Creative Juice Show tomorrow.
Like this if you like it, comment for the community, and share if you really care.